Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. This here's Portie's Garage. And you got it, we are back on Project Boxster and it's paint day. So we've been working on getting this all prepped to paint here. Gonna do the car first, or this part, rear quarter and the rocker here that we repaired. We're gonna do that first. But we have everything else out here. Car completely torn apart, ready to go. All we got to do is start sanding this stuff and getting it ready. I'm thinking the bumper and this front fender need to be sanded really well. There's a lot of clear coat issues there, so we're gonna have to get that down really good. I'm sorry if you can't see that very well. Maybe you can see it better over here. Got a little scratch, some clear coat issues there, so that's gonna have to come down really good. Probably have to prime seal all of that, as well as the bumper, because there's a lot of scratches on that, maybe some fill. On the door, not too bad. I think this one should be, again, sorry for the glare. I think this one should be pretty good, just scuff that up. Same with the hood. Sorry for the mess. Got a couple areas here that we repaired and fixed. The rest of that, we can scuff and maybe blend this in a little bit. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. Very excited. We've got the paint booth, inflatable paint booth that we're gonna do. So with all of that, let's get to it. Okay guys, got the rocker all set to put in the rock guard chip stuff. So let me set the camera down and we'll go ahead and paint this up. All right, let's hit it. Get my finger in it. All right, let's give this a chance to dry up. We'll do another coat. All right, coat number 2. Try to keep my finger out of the nozzle this time. There we go, let's let her dry. Okay guys, while that rocker panel is drying, let's get the bounce house set up, the paint booth. So this is what we have here. It's from Vevor. You can get this on Amazon. I'll put a link below at the bottom. Sounds pretty easy to put together, decent instructions. I've got the 1 blower unit. There's a 2 blower if you wanted to get that. It has ventilation as well. I think it was like another 150 bucks. So I figured for trying this out, let's do this one and see what we got. So gonna go ahead and put the camera back and do a little time lapse here. So see you in a minute. There she is. So the problem we had is there's 2 vents right here on either side were open, so it wasn't filling up that fast. So I think it would fill up a little bit faster. Pretty darn big. See, the fan is too loud. Got a little person door here. Come in once you get the car in. It's huge in here. So this is 21 long, 13.5 wide, 10 feet tall. So there we have it. All right, let's get the car out and in this paint booth. Okay, we got the gun dialed in. Let's go ahead and throw some paint on this. Coat 2 for base. First coat of clear. Okay, about coat 4, but we had gun problems, so this is really our second good coat. Last coat of clear. Okay guys, we got this all done. Let's check it out, see what it looks like. So, looking on here, pretty fresh. There's some trash in here, a little bit there. We'll have to do a little cut and buff here, but man, she is looking good. So much better than before. If you guys remember, a bunch of dents and scratches here, all taken care of. We had a big dent up here taken care of, and obviously the welding. You can't even tell where it was welded. Can't even tell. I love it. Looking great. Awesome. Back quarter panel, pretty good. There is some trash in here, I know that, so we'll have to again do some sanding, some buffing here, but overall very happy. Looks great. So that's gonna do it for this one, guys. If you like this kind of content, please like, please subscribe, hit those post notifications. We'll see you guys on the next one.